Let's make a white Rehal together. I have already poured, as you can see, and I am currently adding the dry flowers and leaves. I have poured two different kinds of mica powder. One is an off-white color and one is pure white. And then I have poured in the pattern, as you can clearly see, and I have also added the golden foil. I am only using white color flowers and leaves because I don't like any other color to be there in the Rehal. I am strategically placing the flowers so there is enough distance between them. However, they will move once you have poured them because resin tends to move. So make sure the resin is a bit gel like consistency before you start putting your flowers inside. I am not pressing them inside the resin, they will just float on top as I am going to be doing a top coat later on. Now I am adjusting, as you can see, and then making a swirl pattern in the Rehal. But make the pattern after half an hour or so when the resin is a honey like consistency. Always remember to wear your nitrile gloves and respirator while working with resin. Also remember to have a ventilated environment. So this is the finished product after the top coat. It looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you for watching and I hope it helped you. Please subscribe if you liked the video.